Just as the M-Series was engineered to be an enhanced, updated evolution of our classic line, we have also engineered a more modern replacement for our now discontinued Universal line. Constructed at Harloff headquarters in Colorado Springs from durable, lightweight aluminum that is easy to transport, the A-Series consists of a wide variety of acute care carts including emergency, anesthesia, isolation, treatment, and procedure carts, all of which feature a very similar design to their M-Series counterparts, as all A-Series carts have an exact steel equivalent or replicate from the M-Series. A-Series carts feature a unique build that is easy to customize and mass produce. While custom variations are always available for any A-Series cart, our standard models for this product line come in 18, 24, or 30-inch wide cabinets with your choice of 21, 24, 27, or 30 inches of available drawer space. Noticeable enhanced features of A-Series carts include more aesthetic drawer pulls for 24 and 30-inch wide models, as well as all the features also seen with our M-Series carts, including self-closing drawer slides, ergonomic side handles for improved mobility, a variety of locking options, and multiple bumper options such as our gray corner bumpers or fully curved pontoon bumpers. All A-Series carts are produced with pre-drilled holes for a wide variety of accessories that can be affixed to any A-Series model. Preset accessory packages are also available, including emergency, anesthesia, phlebotomy, and difficult airway focused packages. You can even preview what various accessories will look like with your A-Series carts by designing your own A-Series carts with the Customizer program on our website. For more information on the A-Series or to request a quote for one of these carts, please contact us at 1-800-433-4064 or email medicalsales@harloff.com. A-Series carts offer you unlimited choices.